Huawei Watch 4 series hands-on video shows both variants in full glory.
So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. Huawei has announced the Watch 4 series recently alongside Mate X3 and P60 Pro. The device is slated for the official global release in June, and Chinese release on May 18. Huawei's Watch 4 series has been revealed in an early hands-on video leak. This video provides a detailed look at the new smartwatch's design, including both Pro and non-Pro variants. The leaked footage first showcases the Huawei Watch 4 Pro from a side view, offering a clear look at its functional button and rotating crown. Despite its slightly thicker profile compared to its predecessor, the watch has a robust and solid feel. Contrasting to the images presented at the initial launch event, this hands-on reveals a wider watch face with slimmed-down bezels on all sides. One of the standout features is the bright display, which offers clear visibility, even at a glance. The new variant also appears to sport a brand new spherical glass that's slightly curved. The strap, made of two different materials, including nylon, adds to the overall design aesthetics. The smaller variant of the Watch 4 series is also in the spotlight. This model seems to be geared towards female users, as evidenced by its shiny frame, which suggests the use of stainless steel. It bears a striking resemblance to the Huawei Watch GT3 Elegant Edition, albeit with some differences, such as its strap, which is a clean and elegant white leather band. The Huawei Watch 4 series stands out with its three distinct versions, each featuring a different strap: black fluoroelastomer, titanium alloy, and brown leather. The Watch 4 Pro, which is the series' flagship model, boasts a 48mm titanium case and a 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display that's protected by sapphire glass. Despite its impressive specs, the Watch 4 Pro is incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 48 grams. The slightly smaller Watch 4 features a 46mm stainless steel case and shares many of the same features as the Watch 4 Pro, including an integrated microphone and speaker, Bluetooth calling, and eSIM support. Both models offer seamless communication and a host of other features that make them ideal for daily wear and use. The Watch 4 Pro incorporates Huawei's TrueScene 5.0 technology, delivering health monitoring functions like arterial stiffness detection, skin temperature detection, ECG, SpO2 monitoring, heart rate monitoring, and true sleep tracking. Both the Pro and regular versions have a 1-minute 7-point health overview feature, summarizing 7 crucial health metrics for quick review in the Huawei Health app. In addition to eSIM compatibility and built-in GPS, these watches offer practical modes for golf driving range and free diving. They are water-resistant up to 5 ATM and have substantial battery lives, with the Pro version lasting up to 4.5 or 21 days in ultra-long battery life mode, and the regular Watch 4 up to 3 or 14 days, respectively. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.